How to condition your mind of fear of failure. Well, I want to let you know something. If you already have the thought of failure, you've already lost. You've already given up. You're scared. Why are you scared? For what? You've already failed for the past few years in your life. Well, that's why you're here right now. That's why you made the decision to join the network marketing industry. Now what? Are you gonna be scared again for the rest of your life? I mean, all it takes is 3 years, 1,000 days, 5 to 6 nights a week. You know you're gonna succeed after those 3 years. So why be scared? You know, here's the deal. Some of us are scared of snakes. Some of us are scared of, success. Some of us are scared of, crocodiles, sharks, and some of us are just scared of failure. Why are you scared of failure when you know you can win? There's the light at the end of the tunnel. If people are winning right now, if the Wright brothers can put 2 steel plates together and fly a metal plate from one place to the next over an ocean, if Edison can flip a switch and the light can pop up, what's stopping you from being the next historical story? Stop failing to succeed. Stop thinking about failure. Stop letting it hold you back. I need you to understand you are great. You are great. You are great. Keep telling yourself you're great. So stop worrying about, because thoughts are things. And things are thoughts are things, and that's the seed you plant to what you want to sow and reap. And you need to understand, if you keep thinking negative, if you keep thinking about failing, all you're going to attract is failure. Start thinking about success. Start programming your head, your mind, lying to yourself that you're going to win. You're going to take your life to the next level. You're a winner. Program yourself, because I'll show you one thing. When you get rid of failure and you start thinking much bigger, you start thinking about success, you start thinking about prosperity, you let go of the adversity. You are in the midst of adversity right now, trying to get through prosperity. I assure you one thing. I've thought about failure. I've thought about quitting. If you've never thought about quitting, you've never done network marketing. So never ever give up. 99% of the world's income is only generated by 1% of the world's population. If you're giving up, you're giving someone else enough room to take your position and to win. God bless.